Hey there everyone, this is Jessica for DomesticatedMe.com, and today I have another one of my RocksBox unboxings. If you're unfamiliar with RocksBox, they are a subscription service where you pay $21 a month and you get a box sent to you with 3 pieces of designer jewelry. You get to wear those pieces, and once you're done wearing them, you put them back in the box and you send it back, and they send you another box right away. There's no limit to how many boxes you get per month. I can usually fit in about 3 or 4 if I'm really fast with them, but again, you can keep them for as long as you want as well. That is a perk from your membership. And if you fall in love with any of the pieces, you can purchase them. And some will even come with a really nice member discount, which I really appreciate. If you're a jewelry lover, this is a great way to have a revolving jewelry collection, but without having to invest in each piece and keeping them forever. Rather than buy a $100 piece of earrings here, then a $150 necklace here, then a ring here, and then continuing to add and spend to add to your collection, you can simply subscribe to RocksBox and get to wear all of this gorgeous jewelry for just $21 a month, and then you send it back and they send you some more. So if you love jewelry in that way, if you love fashion, I appreciate these being able to have this like endless supply of beautiful jewelry, then this is a subscription service for you. All right, so here is my box, so let's open up and see what's inside. This little pamphlet right here gives me information about each of the pieces, but I want to be surprised, so I'm going to set it aside. I've had this box for a while, so I have no idea what's inside of it. I've forgotten what I've ordered, what's on my wish list, if I switched anything out. So yeah, I'm excited to see. So again, here are 3 pieces of jewelry. Ooh, I'm seeing a Georgiana dust bag and then 2 RocksBox bags. So let's open up the Georgiana first. Ooh, it's a ring. Oh, I like this. It's a gold toned ring, and it's one solid ring, but it looks like it's 5 thin bands stacked up. Let me put it on this hand. I like that. It's a really nice ring. This would look good on its own, or you can wear some other jewelry on like your index finger, on your thumb, and really like stack it up. So yeah, I like that. Very nice. Now I'm going to go ahead and open up this dust bag right here. Ooh, these are so cute. These are by Sophie Harper, and there are 2 sets of little hoops. These are so cute, and though it looks like they have enamels on them, and this one has white enamel, and this one has a really pretty like baby pink enamel to them. So cute. You can choose to wear one, or you can wear both of them at the same time. Really, really cute. Very adorable. I like these a lot. Ooh, another pair of earrings. These are by Perry Street. Oh, these are really pretty. Okay, they are larger, thicker hoops, and they kind of look like pink marble. These are really pretty. Wow. So what I love about RocksBox is when they send you these boxes, number one, it's based off the questionnaire that you filled out that tells them what your style is, what your aesthetic. Do you like to wear fine, like thin pieces of delicate jewelry, or do you like really poppy, big pieces of jewelry and that kind of stuff? They really get to know you. And then they send you pieces that you can wear individually or that you can wear them together. So you can mix and match these pieces for one look, which I think is really cool. So now I'm going to try these earrings on so you can see what they look like on me. So here is that Perry Street hoop earring. They're so pretty. And I really like that they're not super heavy, so you can definitely wear these for a few hours comfortably and it won't bother you too much. Okay, now I've added the white enamel small hoop from Sophie Harper. So this is what they look like together. Again, like I said, you can wear these pieces individually or you can put them all together. So I love that. And here I have on both of the small loops, the white enamel and the pink enamel hoops from Sophie Harper. If you have multiple piercings like me, then you can definitely wear them at the same time. And I think they look really cute. All right, now let's check out that card that came with the box. It says, "Hi Jessica, thanks for helping us style your set. I hope these pieces better suit your style. Add a fun element to your look with the Zoe hoops in pink marble. It pairs beautifully with neutrals, but we also love them with color. This Radiant Georgiana Careen ring frames your finger in glistening shine. Add some pastels to your look with this enamel huggy pack. They're perfect if you want to add a bit of color without going too bold. Enjoy." Love that. See, not only do they tell me a little bit of how they selected these pieces, obviously some of these came from either my wish list or I swapped them before they were sent out to me, but I love that they're giving you ideas of how you can wear them. Really appreciate that. So the Perry Street Zoe hoop in pink marble, which is the larger hoop, those retail for $50, but if I wanted to purchase them, I can purchase them at a discount and get them for $40. The Georgiana Careen ring in gold retails for $55, but if I wanted to purchase it, I can get it for $39. And the Sophie Harper Enamel Huggy Pack in pink and white retail for $60, but I can purchase it at a discount for $51. And at the very end, they tally it all up, and then they also tell me how many monthly credit or forever credit I have in my account. So they discount that and they'll add it all up for you and tell you how much you would be paying out of pocket if you wanted all three. So love all of that. Let me know what you think. Do you love these pieces? Should I purchase them? It's been a while since I've actually purchased a piece of RocksBox. That's probably because I have not been doing unboxings so frequently, just because I've been busy. But if you think I should keep one, please let me know which ones, all of them. Let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and share if you enjoyed it. And don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And click that little bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you're notified as soon as my videos go out. I make new videos every single week, so make sure that you are in that notification squad so that you get an alert to your inbox whenever my videos are published. Click or tap right here to watch my last video, or click down below to watch another video that you might enjoy. Thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned.